People ask me, there's all these different sidings. There's wood siding, there's engineered wood siding, there's vinyl siding, there's hardy siding, and on and on and on and on. And what would you do? Well, I'm lazy. I don't want to maintain anything. I have much more fun things to do with my time than go out and paint, scrape, replace wood rot and stuff like that. I would tell you that a maintenance-free material of either vinyl siding or hardy siding. Like if you have old wood siding, well, I don't know if you guys know this or not, but new wood sucks compared to old wood. It doesn't hold up, it doesn't last, it doesn't have the integrity that the old wood had, and so it rots much faster, shrinks, warps, misshapes. It's low end. So then they came out with engineered wood, and engineered wood is essentially wood with different chemicals and compounds put together to ensure that it lasts longer than regular wood. And it is better than just simple wood, but the problem with it is it's still wood. It's still an organic material. It still can be affected by moisture. It's still affected by elements. And then the chemicals can delaminate and you have paint issues and stuff like that. Any wood type thing, engineered or regular, I personally wouldn't want to put it on my home. I'm lazy. I don't want to paint. I don't want to maintain. And so I personally have hardy on my house, and the whole reason is it's concrete, so it's fireproof, it's insect resistant, it's incredibly durable, it's strong. If you put vinyl siding up, they have great materials, they have high-end stuff, but if you have hail, then vinyl siding is more prone to be affected by that than concrete siding or hardy siding is. And so even if it's, your insurance covers it, then you got the fight with the insurance company of, hey, you got to cover this, and you're not paying enough, and they need this, and you know how it is with insurance companies, and I don't want to do that. And so I just put something up that I can put up, never think about again, and be done. But on top of that, it looks great. It looks great the day we installed it, and it looks great 15 years later because it doesn't move. It's fiber cement. It's incredibly durable. I'd put hardy siding on. It's the end all be all. The only bad thing about hardy siding, it costs more. And I've found out, I'm 58 years old now, I found out that everything I like that works well costs more than I wanted to spend, but I'd rather spend a little more and do it right and spend a little less and have to do it again.